Welcome dear students to Narayana Digital Classes. Okay ma? Fine. We are into the lesson next topic, that is units and measurement, which is our 13th assignment. Is it clear beta? Okay. We are into the subtopic errors and dimensional formulae. Is it clear ma? Okay. In this one we are having 5 questions. We will be dealing all those 5 questions right now. Okay. Fine. The first question is displayed on the board, Nana. The first question is, when 10 observations are taken, the random error is x. When 100 observations are taken, okay, the random error becomes what? That is the question right now we are having. Is it clear? We know very well that random error is inversely proportional to number of observations. Is it clear beta? Okay, random error is inversely proportional to number of observations. According to that, if you say x as random error, number of observations as capital N, then what we can write is x proportional to 1 by n. Okay. From this what we are going to get? x1 by x2 is equals to n2 by n1 it becomes. You are very clearly given x1 is x and x2 you have to find. Is it clear? Okay. What Nana? And number of observations n2 is given as 100, okay, and n1 is given as 10 observations, 100 by 10. Is it clear? Okay, 10 ones are 10 tens are. Is it clear beta? Okay, then x2 is given as x by 10. Is it clear? x2 is given as what, Nana? x2 is given as x by 10. x by 10 is your first option. Got the idea how to do it now? Is it clear? Okay. Now we will go to the second question right now. Fine, Amma? Okay. We will go to the second question. Before that I clear the board and I am going to the second question right now. The second question is displayed on the board. Okay. A body travels uniformly a distance of how much, Nana? 20.0 plus or minus 0.2 meters in time 4.0 plus or minus 0.04 seconds. See, the first part is the numerical part, second part is the error part. First part is numerical part, second part is error part. Is it clear? The velocity of the body is, he wants the velocity of the body, means you have to write the result as v plus or minus delta v, you have to write v plus or minus delta v, you have to write, isn't it? Okay. So first of all what you do, SC is given as, in this question S is given as 20.0 and the time is given as, the time value is given as 4.0. Okay, this is meters, this is seconds, this is in meter, this is in seconds. Then velocity v is given as S by t is equals to 20 by 4. So how much it is? We are getting it as 5. In all of them 5 is there. So you cannot decide the answer right now, for which you have to find delta v value. Is it clear? Okay, fine. This is 5 meter per second. Understood, Nana? Is it clear? Next, apart from that, you are having v equal to, okay, I will be taking the partition here, v equal to S by t, then delta v by v, got the idea? Delta v by v is equals to, okay, delta S by S plus delta t by t. Okay, then we have to find what, Nana? Delta v, is it clear? Delta v is equals to v into, okay, delta S by S plus delta t by t. Substitute the values whichever you are having there. 5 is v value, okay, 5 into delta S is given as 0.2 by 20 plus delta t is given as 0.04 by time is given as 4.0. On simplifying this part, you will be getting the result as what, Nana? You will be getting the result as 0.1 actually. You will be getting the result as what, Nana? 0.1. Therefore, your answer will be for this. Okay. You have to represent the velocity, isn't it? So, the velocity v is given as what? Finally, the answer is given as 5.0 plus or minus 0.1 meter per second. Got the idea? This is your fourth option, please. Got the idea, Nana? So second problem solution is what? The fourth answer. This is the way you have to follow for it. Is it clear? Okay. Now we'll go to the next problem. Okay. The next problem is the third one. Okay. Fine. If E, M, G and J respectively denote energy, mass, angular momentum and universal gravitational constant. Is it clear? Then what are the dimensions of Ej square by m power 5 G square? Is it clear? Okay. So first of all, E stands for energy. Okay. Energy dimensional formula is given as E equals to m L square T power minus 2. Okay, beta. And angular momentum J is given as what? M V R. I can write this as capital M L square T power minus 1. That is your J value. Okay. Then after that, mass. M is given as capital M itself. Okay. Then after that, what you are having? Universal gravitational constant. It is given as M inverse L cube T power minus 2. Is it clear? Okay. And you have to substitute all these things into this formula, that is into this expression. What is the expression you are having? Ej square by m power 5 G square. Okay. Expression is what, Nana? Ej square divided by m power 5 G square equals to m L square T power minus 2 into J. What is J you are having? M L square T power minus 1 whole square it is. Whole divided by m power 5 as it is, but G you are having as m inverse L cube T power minus 2 whole square it is. Is it clear, beta? Okay. On simplifying this part, you will be getting m power 0, L power 0, T power 0, isn't it? Okay. It is the dimensionless quantity. What is it, ma? Dimensionless quantity, which is your first option. Got the idea? Is it clear, beta? Okay. Now we will go to the next problem, Nana. That is the fourth one. We will go to the fourth problem right now. We will go to the fourth problem. Resistance of a given wire is obtained by measuring the current flowing in it and the voltage difference applied across it. If percentage errors in the measurement of the current and the voltage difference is 3% each, then error in the value of resistance of the wire is. He wants the error in the value of resistance. Got the idea? What actually he wants? Error in the value of resistance. Is it clear? Okay. Now, actually what you are having? The formula as R equals to, you are having R equals to V by I. You are having R equal to what, Nana? R is given as V by I. Okay. Now, I will be writing fractional changes for this. Delta R by R into 100 is equals to delta V by V into 100 plus delta I by I into 100. Got the idea, Nana? Okay. And you are given percentage of error in the, okay, percentage of error in the voltage is given as 3% plus percentage of error in the current is given as, what is the measurement of the current and the voltage difference are 3% each. Okay, it is also given as 3%. Okay, 3 plus 3, 6. It is how much, Nana? 6%. 6% is your third option. Got the idea? 6% is your third option. This is your question 4 result, Nana. Thank you. Okay. Next one after that, what actually you are having? The fifth question. Fine. We will go to next to the fifth question, Nana. Question number 5. What it says? The acceleration of an object varies with time as a equal to t square plus bt plus c. taking the unit of time as 1 second and acceleration as meter per second square, then units of A, B and C are. Is it clear? A very simple question, Nana, it is. Here we follow principle of homogeneity. What actually happens, Nana, here? We use principle of homogeneity. What it says? We add or subtract only those quantities which are having the same dimensions. Here you are adding AT square with BT and with C, na? Means all the three are having same dimensions, and we are equating it to whom? We are equating it to acceleration. Means each and every term is having acceleration dimensions. Each and every term is having acceleration dimensions. Okay. So from principle of homogeneity I can write, okay, acceleration A is equals to A T square. Is it clear? Then A is given as A by T square. What is acceleration dimensional formula? L T power minus 2 divided by T square is equals to L T power minus 4. L means meter. L is length. Its unit is meter. Time is second. ms to the power of minus 4. Is it clear, ma? Okay, fine. Then after that, the next one is what you are having, A equals to BT. Then B is given as what? A by T. B is given as what, Nana? A by T. Is it clear? Okay, fine. A by T. Okay. Then what is A actually given as? So B equals to LT power minus 2 divided by T is equals to LT power minus 3. Length is having meter, second inverse 3. Got the idea? Okay. Then last term, C is equals to A. Last term is given as C, Nana, C is equals to A. A is LT power minus 2, direct it is. So L means meter, time is second inverse 2. So C is having ms inverse 2. Therefore, okay, your units are what? Ms to the power of minus 4, comma, ms to the power of minus 3, comma, ms to the power of minus 2. Okay, ms to the power of minus 4, ms to the power of minus 3, ms to the power of minus 2 is your fourth option. Got the idea, beta? Is it clear? Okay. All the 5 questions are completed, Nana, here right now. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Thank you, beta. Thank you, please.